Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Doda Donchian Indicator for MT4. So to download this indicator, just check the description below. After downloading the indicator, head over to your indicators folder for MT4 and you paste the indicator file in there. After doing that, you head back to your navigator and just refresh. Okay. So now we're going to be adding the Doda Donchian indicator to our chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And as for our input settings, we can see that the customizable settings here are channel period, which is default 28, EMA period default 120, start EMA shift default 6, and EMA shift default 0, angle threshold default 0.32. You can modify those according to your taste. Now, this indicator is built to highlight dynamic price channels and breakout zones. Okay, you can see that the indicator is a trend following indicator, right? It shows you when the trend is bullish by being below the candlesticks. The indicator line will be below the candlesticks, right? But when the trend is bearish, you will notice that the indicator line will be above the candlesticks, like what we can see happening here. Okay, and then the indicator also predicts, a valid place for setting a stop loss, right? So if you are entering a buy trade, if you're entering a sell trade, right, this should be a sell signal because price has crossed below the line. So the indicator is already giving us a sell signal with stop loss at 0.86788. This is for Euro GBP. Okay, so the indicator predicts the direction of the trend and then, of course, gives you a stop loss level to use if you want to use it. Okay, so now guys, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to consider doing that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications as well so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.